Playing casino games for real money online operates fundamentally differently from free-play versions because every spin, hand, and round involves actual cash transactions processed through licensed platforms. When you're playing with real money, understanding how these gaming experiences handle your deposits, verify your identity, and process your withdrawals makes the difference between smooth gameplay and frustrating delays. Real money casino games break down into two main categories with distinct payout mechanics. Slots like Megaways variants determine outcomes using random number generators, with results appearing instantly and each spin operating independently from the last. Table games like blackjack or roulette work differently, involving rounds with multiple betting opportunities where payouts happen per completed hand or round rather than per individual action. This fundamental difference affects how you manage your bankroll and approach each game type. When you're ready to play casino games online for real money, you'll need to deposit funds first, typically through credit cards, bank transfers, or e-wallets. Licensed platforms process these transactions securely, but withdrawal times vary significantly, depending on your chosen method. E-wallets often clear within 24 hours, while bank transfers typically take 3 to 5 business days. Live dealer blackjack exemplifies how real-time online gaming experiences work with actual money, where you bet cash per hand against a live croupier streaming from a studio, with your stakes deducted and winnings credited immediately after each round concludes. Before you start playing real money casino games, verify the platform holds proper licensing and displays responsible gambling tools prominently. Check minimum deposit requirements, as many sites start around $10 to $20. Games like progressive jackpot slots may require maximum bets to qualify for the top prize, which significantly affects your bankroll strategy and how long you can play. Setting deposit limits and session time limits before you begin helps maintain control over your real money play. The key points to remember: real money casino games involve actual cash deposits and withdrawals through licensed platforms. Slots pay per spin instantly, while table games pay per completed round, and you should always verify licensing, understand payment processing times, and set personal limits before playing with real money.